Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very divine event and a very noble event going on. This is the day of this is the day of Gopinath Ji birthday. So the celebrations are going on, and you just see that the people are having the prasad, and of course you just see the typical ritual noon. Exactly what is the ritual known as? No. It's the birthday of Gopinath Ji,
no, birthday is
Shraddh of, okay. So Shraddh of death anniversary of Bhagwan Gopinath Ji. And you see is divan munkenasan ye doon ch divan emang matlab kya go prasad Oh, great. I am blessed. You know, this is very typical of Kashmiri Pandits. And Taika now Poor Kashmir word. Falak Moza. Mozas are my in-laws. God bless you. That is Manju Moza. God bless you. God bless you. Keep smiling. Doing a great job. Doing a wonderful job. And at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, let me just take you around and show you what exactly is happening and how people are really working and doing a dedicated job. And ladies and gentlemen, just see that he is doing since morning. He changed from that place to this place, and now because there was very hot sun, and now you just see that he's always there and doing a wonderful and a divine job in the name of Lord Bhagwan Gopinath Ji. And this is, I'll just show you around what are the different recipes. This is bata, kosher bata. Just see how beautiful and nice. And he is my friend and bosom friend. Mujhe mara panun introduction di mara. Sunil Rana. Great. So he is always smiling. One of the most energetic and the youngsters there around. And he is better than me, better than Sanjay Kher. That's what I have been telling him, because he is doing a great job. So camera now, and then again,
Akhil Cole.
Oh, Akhil Cole. So you just see that there are all young people, youngsters, and the Malu. So the Malu is finished because it's already 4 o'clock, and that's why. And you just see that there is another young man, and he is again. And there's of course dal. This is very beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, just understand that this is very important and very beautiful dal, and it is of course the prasad of Bhagwan Gopinath Ji. And at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, you can just see that this is Kheer. This is Kheer happening here. So this Kheer also, this is all prasad. So ladies and gentlemen, what I was trying to tell you, that this is the day of Bhagwan Gopinath Ji, the Shraddh of Bhagwan Gopinath Ji, and we are trying to take his blessings, and we are trying to have the prasad. There are a lot of people who are working on this occasion, and this day is dedicated to Bhagwan Gopinath Ji. Stay blessed, stay happy, and let the Bhagwan Gopinath Ji blessings be with all of us. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you.